we'll demonstrate bullion knot rose stitch. We can see that bullion knot rose stitch is composed of multiple bullion stitches of different lengths forming a rose shape. Let's demonstrate. First, come up through the center. Take down 1 stitch length below. Come up again next to the first stitch. Here, pull needle out 2/3. Don't pull the whole needle through. Hold thread with one hand and wrap around needle. Here I wrapped 5 times, because we start from the rose center, gradually working outward. So in the middle part, we need to stitch shorter. Press wrapped part with fingers. Pull thread upward, adjust wraps along the direction. Take down here. Stitch another one beside it. Same size and length bullion stitch as the rose center. Here also wrap thread around. Each time after wrapping, adjust wraps downward to pack them tightly together, otherwise gaps may form. The effect won't look as attractive. Take down. Now the rose center is complete. Next, stitch the outer ring. Outside this small bullion stitch, about halfway along, come up here. Move needle to opposite side, same position. Angle needle forward. Hold thread and wrap around needle. If wrapping this way is inconvenient, you can lift needle with hand. This way, wrapping becomes much easier. Adjust wraps down with fingers to pack them tightly together. Wrap until the bullion length can reach the other side. No need to make it too long. Here I wrapped 10 times. Before pulling, must hold wrapped section. Otherwise, wraps will shift when pulling. Slowly pull thread upward. Adjust direction along the wraps. Let it lie flat on fabric. Take down here. Below, also come up at middle position. Take down on opposite side. Angle needle vertically forward. Also wrap thread around. Hold wraps and pull thread. Following direction, take down below it. Let's continue stitching the outer layer. 1/3 outside second layer, come up. Same way, take down on opposite side. Angle needle vertically forward. Can also, after taking down, come up at adjacent position to where we came up. Also, only pull needle out 2/3. Hold thread and wrap around needle. Here I wrapped 12 times. Adjust and arrange wraps to create a wrapped state. Take down. Take down on opposite side. Wrap same number of times. Outer wraps will get progressively larger. Not recommended to stitch 2 halves directly. That won't look as good. Suggest dividing into 3 to 4 segments to stitch. This creates a more dimensional shape. Let's continue stitching outer ring. Each time stitching outer ring, use previous bullion as reference. Bullion knot rose stitch, perfect for creating floral embroidery. Can create full and dimensional effects. This stitch requires patience to learn. Try several times to succeed. It's not too difficult. Take down. Let's see the finished effect.